So yeah, hi everyone. This webinar is related to Java plus Selenium. So Priyanka is here, my colleague. She'll be walking you through all the concepts of the Java plus Selenium. How is it? What is the purpose of automation? And why we should use Java plus Selenium as an automation tool as a career. So yeah, Priyanka, it's to you now. You can start.
So, yes, hi everyone. Yeah, this is Priyanka. Share my screen. So before we start, I would like to know if everyone is familiar with the testing. Okay, let's consider some of you know and some of you don't. So before we start,
Hello.
so yes,
Yeah, hi Priyanka madam. Hello.
yes.
Ganesh here. Actually, I'm new to the automation.
So
I know
yeah,
manual testing. Yeah. So could you please tell me about the automation is why I have to choose that and everything?
yes. I'm going to
Yeah.
explore on that topic next.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. So what is testing? In simple terms, it is the process of checking if something works the way it is supposed to. Like I will give you an example. Like suppose there is one scenario where the client wants to develop some login page, and after logging into this page, he wants to redirect to some page, and after that he wants to log out. Because this is the scenario. Accordingly, that what developer will do, developer will develop the software. फिर what tester will do, टेस्टर will manually check कि लॉगिन ठीक से हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. He will design the test cases like मतलब अगर वो राइट पासवर्ड डाल रहा है, रॉन्ग यूजर नेम डाल रहा है, तो व्हाट हैपेंस. अगर वो बोथ द थिंग्स राइट डाल रहा है तो व्हाट हैपेंस. अगर मींस उसने यूजर नेम रॉन्ग डाला है एंड पासवर्ड गलत डाला है तो क्या होगा. अकॉर्डिंगली दैट ही विल डिजाइन सो मेनी टेस्ट केसेस. वो टेस्ट केसेस के अगेंस्ट वो सारी फंक्शनैलिटी चेक करेगा एंड कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेटिव है क्या दोनों में, लाइक व्हाट क्लाइंट वांट्स एंड व्हाट सॉफ्टवेयर इज एक्चुअली डूइंग. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज टेस्टिंग. So there are basically we do testing in two types, like manual testing and automation. जो अभी मैंने बताया, what tester will do, he will write every test cases and according to that test cases he will test everything. That is manual testing. Manually he will do everything. He will input, he will give input to everything and he will check what outputs comes. And that is manual testing. It is lengthy process. And what is automation testing is, so yeah, manual testing में भी 6 types के testing होते हैं. white box testing, black box testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, unit testing and system testing. So ये सारे testing को follow करके manual testing होती है. And what automation testing is? Automation testing means it refers to the process of using specialized software tools to execute a pre-scripted test on the software applications. Means what a tester will do, he will write some script using some framework and he will execute that script against that software to check if there is any defects in the software or not, if there is any discriminatives between the what client want and what we are giving to the client. So that is automation testing. So basically we are providing you the course which will include the basic Java and Selenium. So we are going to write the test in Selenium, the Selenium and using test engine framework. And the coding language we are using is Java. So why we are using the automation testing? So like I said कि जो मतलब like manually जब user testing करेगा तो उसमें क्या होगा, हर बार वही फंक्शनैलिटी चेक करने के लिए हर बार वही फंक्शनैलिटी चेक करने के लिए हर बार वो टेस्ट केसेस लिखेगा, हर बार वो एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. इसमें मतलब बहुत बहुत टाइम जाता है. अगर वही same thing we are doing using automation testing, what tester will do, he will just simply write some script, and he will use that script against that functionality. Sometimes ऐसे scenario होता है कि hundreds of software है, अभी ये कंपनी में आपको hundreds of software है जिसमें login functionality है, हर बार टेस्टर को वही फंक्शनैलिटी उन सॉफ्टवेयर के अगेंस्ट यूज करनी पड़ेगी। हेलो, या सो हर बार उसको वही फंक्शनैलिटी, वही मैन्युअली हर बार टेस्ट केस लिखना पड़ेगा, हर बार उसको मैन्युअली चेक करना पड़ेगा, तो ये बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस होती है। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी आर यूजिंग ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग, जिसमें हम लोग एक ही स्क्रिप्ट यूज करने वाले हैं। सो इससे रिपीटेबिलिटी, मतलब जो भी ऐसे सिनारियो होते हैं जिसमें हमें टेस्टिंग रिपीटेबिलिटी फंक्शनैलिटी टेस्ट करनी पड़ती है ना, उसमें ऑटोमेशन इज द बेस्ट। और उसकी वजह से कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस होने वाला है। लाइक अगर 100 सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्ट करने हैं, उसके लिए उसको मैनुअल टेस्टर्स, मतलब जो मैनुअल टेस्ट को है बहुत सारे टाइम स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट अगर वही एक स्क्रिप्ट वो 100 ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर यूज करेगा तो वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी कम होने वाला है और कॉस्ट भी कम लगने वाली है, क्योंकि वही सेम स्क्रिप्ट हम लोग 100 ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर यूज करेंगे। अगेन सम सिनारियो ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हम लोगों को रेग्रेशन टेस्टिंग यूज करनी पड़ती है। रेग्रेशन टेस्टिंग मीन्स व्हाट, वी हैव टू डू टेस्टिंग रिपीटिवली, द सेम टेस्टिंग वी हैव टू अप्लाई ऑन द सेम फंक्शनैलिटी रिपीटिवली। दैट केस भी हम लोगों को ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग यूज होने वाली है। सो कंक्लूजन, ओवरऑल मीन्स क्या होने वाला, ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग ऑफर्स द न्यूमरस एडवांटेज इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पीड, एफिशिएंसी, रिलायबिलिटी एंड कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस, making it indispensable part of modern software development and quality assurance process। तो अभी डिमांड बहुत है कि मैनुअल टेस्टर की वजह से कॉस्ट, मतलब हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग कैन रिप्लेस मैनुअल टेस्टिंग, इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल, बट समटाइम वी नीड ऑटोमेशन, इट इज नीड इन द मीन्स इट इज द नीड ऑफ टुडे, so that case automation testing is must। So the salary range is for the fresher for the Selenium using automation using Selenium is 3 lakh to 6 lakh LPA। Yeah, so we have divided the course into two parts, basic Java and Selenium using TestNG framework। So any doubt?
So what part you will cover, Priyanka, as a part of Java, that is basic or advanced?
Yeah, we are going to provide basic Java so that you will be familiar with the how to do coding in Java.
Mhm.
So it will be helpful for you to do coding using Java in Selenium. The script, the coding language we are using for the Selenium is Java.
Okay, so whatever
Yeah,
required
and the
to be
framework we are using is TestNG.
Okay, that
Oh.
means whatever knowledge we need on Java to be automation tester, that we are delivering to this, right?
Yes, yes, and so we are also providing the notes for each topic.
Hmm. Yeah. Someone was asking something. Okay, so just give you an overview of it. As like Tosca, we are even providing training on the Tosca Selenium. So the duration of the course again, that is based on the content. We have basic plus advanced concept into it, where in a basic we will be having Java with Selenium, and TestNG framework will be covered. And advanced we will have few more. I think like BTT Cucumber. I think that Priyanka can tell you. You have a preference to choose whether you want to go with basic or advanced. Duration will be decided on that, and again the cost of the course will be depend on the basic or advanced and the duration. So as she has explained, the purpose of being automation tester, like manual is important definitely, but nowadays we want everything very quickly in what we can say, the productivity that we want, that is at the highest level. We want a quality product. We want to reduce the effort that we are putting in. So in that case, even we do not want to do a repetitive task. So in that case, definitely automation is the best choice. It is not just about the testing. Everywhere the automation is coming into the picture. So this has a good future. So from the point of view of the job, yes, as you have enrolled for this webinar, you might have aware that Selenium has vast job openings. The thing is, you should have a good knowledge on that. So we are providing here, just we will not be explaining you just a basic concept. Each and every concept will be given as a practical that is add on to it. Along with that, you'll be having access to our discussion forum where you will be discussing all the queries that you are having. Trainer will be available to resolve your all the queries. Second thing, you can join any of the session anytime to brush up your knowledge. Suppose you have enrolled with us for any of the class and you have no practice on it for 5 6 months, and after again you are feeling okay, I want to brush up my knowledge and I want to learn that again. Anytime you can join our any of the session to brush up your knowledge. So these are the few things that we are providing. The people who joined through the Lalit, they can connect with the Lalit for the enrollment process. And those who joined via me, that means Tanvish Technology or any of like Priyanka, they can connect with us for the further processing. So just want to know if anyone has any doubt on any part, like for Java, for enrollment or career point of view, why Selenium only? If you are afraid of coding, what is the other alternative? Anything, please go ahead.
Yeah, I have one query. Hello.
Yes, Ganesh.
As I have said that I'm new to the automation, right? So I don't have any prior coding knowledge.
Okay.
So do I need to learn C, C++?
See, that is your choice. In this, we are providing Java with Selenium. Definitely, if you want to enroll to C, CPP, that you can do. Selenium comes with different combinations, like it can be used with Python, CPP, Java. That is your choice. But yes, if you want to go with the Selenium, you need to learn any of the coding language over here.
Okay.
And yeah, we will be, giving you that practice that at least you can do your automation by your own. That
Okay.
knowledge you'll get over here.
Because why I'm saying this, as I'm new to the automation, right? Because I don't have any coding knowledge. So what I'm thinking, shall I means do first C and then basic Java and then go for the Selenium? Is
It
it
is
the right way?
it is not required actually. If we are selecting Java, that is enough to go ahead with the automation, because Java plus Selenium, as I know, is the good combination that is asked in the market. And after that, if you feel, yeah, you need to learn other languages too, you have a choice to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Anyone else? If anyone wants the curriculum, we will share it with you, and Lalit will be sharing it with you after this session. But any other queries on the career point of view or anything else?
My results are good.
Umesh, do you have any query? Okay, he was on note. Okay, so as a part of this course, initially we will be covering your basic Java, where you will have a hands-on of the coding, actual coding, and after that we will be covering Selenium part. And after that, some kind of practice will be taken from you. We will be even taking care of the mock interviews, where you will be prepared from the interview point of view, how you have to be appear in the interview if some kind of questions are asked on the Selenium. So that is even add-on we are given.
Okay, means questions and all you are giving, right? Means everything.
Yes, question. Anyways, in the discussion forum, you'll be having all the details. So, what are the important questions? Whenever, suppose those people who will be enrolling, definitely they will be practicing on the Selenium plus Java. So they'll come up with different queries. Or there, whoever is working on that, they can ask their queries. From that, you'll get the answers. As a mock interview, we will be sharing few of the interview questions, you can say, or you can prepare for the interview and you can appear for the interview. So before directly facing to the corporate, you will have an confidence. Okay, I have this much preparation. What all the points I need to prepare, and then you will have a chance. At least you will have a confidence to go ahead with the interview process with any of the companies.
Okay. Actually, Miss, my logic is not that much good, so that's why I'm asking all these questions.
No problem, Ganesh. We are
Yeah.
here to, teach from the
Mhm.
beginning.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the main purpose. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
And if the person is not having even the testing knowledge, we will
Mhm.
make you familiar with the basic concept of the testing, means what is STLC, what is STLC, and then we will go ahead with the automation, because manual testing is the base of the automation. So the person
Mhm.
should know what testing is.
Okay. And one more query, Miss, my friend is from mechanical engineering.
Okay.
Yeah, and Miss, yesterday I spoke with him, and he has told me that he also wants to learn the Selenium. So,
Okay.
Miss, is it good to learn for mechanical guys also to learn the Selenium?
Yes, if he is interested and he is eager to learn the any of the coding language, he can go with the Selenium. And we even have one of the choice, that is Tosca automation. If any of the person is not good in the coding, of that person is not interested to learn the coding, so we have that
Mhm.
choice too. So as you are saying, that person is from the mechanical background, but I know many of the people who learned different languages, coding languages, and they are working good. If you can say, the person who has from technical background, this mechanical background, people are much more good in that field. Just this is
Mhm.
just about how you learn and how you can utilize your knowledge.
Okay, yeah. And we will be getting notes as well, right?
Yes, you will be getting notes in the sense, anyways, the recordings will be shared of the classes
Okay.
where all the
Mhm.
details are shared. If you guys did any of the specific notes of anything, yes, we are having connect with different people. So if any of the person is sharing any of the important stuff that is needed or that we should know, then that stuff will be even shared in that group. So that is a discussion forum, as I said. Whatever you
Mhm.
want, you'll get that.
Okay. And see, if I have completed this course within 2 months,
Mhm.
yeah, and suppose I went to some company, and
Mhm.
after that also I want to learn few concepts. So again, I can join any batch. Means lifetime I
Yes,
will get.
yes, yes. That's what we said. Lifetime access you have. Suppose we are already running any of the batch and you feel you want to join, you want to learn specific concept again, you can connect with us. You can get an idea when that concept will be taken in the course, and then you can join that specific session to brush up your knowledge.
Okay, yeah.
So guys, we have 4 minutes. So if you want anything. Um, how many of you from the testing background? You just can raise your hands here. Means who have knowledge of the testing, means what testing is. You do not need to even unmute. You can just raise your hand just to get an idea of it. Okay. Okay. Is it only two members are having idea on testing? Okay. So if this is the case for rest of the people, I'll suggest you guys need to have an understanding of testing first. We have two choices, as I said, Tosca and Selenium. You can choose any of the tool. If you have decided to go with the automation, definitely. For the get the clarity on this on these things, you can contact Lalit, who joined via him, and you can connect with us if you join through me or Priyanka. Okay.
Mhm.
Avinash, do you have any questions?
And one more thing,
Yes, Ganesh?
And mode of the communication will be in all languages, right? Means sometimes if we are not understanding in English, we
Yes,
can we can ask them in local language also, right?
yes, definitely. Because I know,
Because
but
see, few concepts are means in coding also like this. Ki sometimes we are not understanding it in English, or
true.
sometimes means they need to tell us repeatedly, right? Yeah, few programs and all. So we can ask that also, right?
Yes.
Means in our local language,
You
that
will
will be.
get help in any language. You can ask any of the silly questions. Each and every questions will be answered. It is not like that. I don't know testing how I can ask these basic questions. Don't feel that. We are here to serve you from the beginning. We want you to make the automation tester. So from the basic, any type of question you are having, you can ask any question.
Okay.
But our preference is, to take the course in the English. That's the reason behind that. Here we can teach you in, local language. You will understand that. But when you have to appear for the interview, definitely at that time you should aware all the concept in English, because over there you need to use those terms. But if you are not able to understand that in English, then definitely we can explain with the same concept in your local language.
Okay. And this mock interview, this is taken by the means company, means corporate people,
Oh no, this
or
is by the
like.
trainer only. This is by the
Okay.
trainer, the person who is giving the training. So like if the Priyanka is the person, or Photoska and the POC for that. So we will only be taking the interview, because we know what syllabus we have taught and what is the important thing. In future, we might come up with such kind of things if you have a good crowd in these. So we might hire few of the corporate people to take the interview.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we are at 6:30. Thanks a lot for joining this session. If you are interested to enroll, we are starting the batch from the 1st of May or the mid of April, not decided. Based on the enrollment, we'll decide the date to start. We are looking for few of the enrollment. Once the enrollment is done for all the seats, we are starting that batch. So if you are interested, please get your enrollment done as soon as possible. As I said, contact Lalit or contact me in that case. You have the details already. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining this.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.